time where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Yes, now guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big shout out to the guys at T5 Spares for helping me on this video. I'll try and put a link in the description. Not right good at this yet, so we'll see if I can manage that. Anyway, show you the video. Hopefully it helps a few of you fix your door handles on your T5s. Cheers guys, much love, big up. So guys, if your door handle does this when you open the door, or go to open the door, and stays like that, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Hopefully, easily. Good mate of mine from T5 Spares has told me how to do it, so we'll see how it goes. Get back to you in a bit. So guys, basically in there, there's a little grommet comes out of that. In there, there's a T20. You want like the screwdriver type like that. Take out the lock. The lock comes out, and I don't know if you can see, but in there there's two. See that there? Don't know if you can get that. There's a little thing in there. Basically, has to go behind the door handle. Yes, you can see that it's not connected right now, so I've got to take the cable off. Like so. Once the cable's off, you just sort that out. Once the cable's off, get back, blogger. Yeah, bugger you. You've got to take the handle out. Got to be careful taking the handle off here. It's a bit of an headache. Once it's out, you can see the little thing there that it's supposed to be behind. That's supposed to be behind these two little clips on the end of your handle. See where it goes into it back there? So basically, you've got to shove the handle back in, get a pick or something similar behind that. I've got a bit of corner that I bent. Put it in there. Pull that in. Like so. It's a bit hard. There you go, see what I mean? That bit there needs to go behind your handle on them two little lugs at the end. So I'll get back to you when I've done that. See how it goes. So hopefully you can see now. See that little thing that I've clipped over the back handle? Stops the handle from coming right out. Can you see it there, look? Basically clips over the end of your handle. Right, focus. At top and bottom of the handle. Once that's on, it'll work fine. Just got to put it back together. I'll show you when I've put it back together. So there you go, all back together. Thanks to lads at T5 space. That door is now working perfectly. It's that good and that easy to do. I think I'm going to do the passenger side because that needs doing as well. So I'll try and show you a bit of that if I can and all. Nice one, guys. Cheers. So as you can see, it's not that hard, guys. I'm round now doing the passenger side. I'll show you a bit of that if I can. So basically, if your door handle does this, we can explain it and show you what happens and how to fix it. Cheers. So basically, in there, see that bit there, and a bit at bottom there. Well, you've basically got to pull that backwards and get it over them two on end of your handle. Once you've done that, it works perfectly. So I'll put camera down, try it again, see if we can fix this one as well. Right guys, as you can see there, it's now clipped over them two little knobbly bits on the end of your handle, and it'll work fine. Just got to put cable back on and jobs are good un. Not hard to do, guys, any of you can do it. All you need is a Torque 20, like I said, pretty cheap from Screwfix. So hopefully that helps somebody. As well, guys, seat cable there. If you don't pull it enough and take the tension up basically on the cable, your door won't open either. That's what I've just done with that one. Put it all back together, door won't open. Took it back together, took it back apart, pulled that out a little bit, door opens. Jobs are good un. Boom. Just got to put blank back in. Screw Torques up, which you can do if you've got sliding door open through a little hole there. Job's a badger.